Many buyers believe they only need a down payment to purchase a home, but the truth is there are several other costs to consider. The down payment itself varies depending on the type of loan. Conventional loans typically require 5 to 20%, while FHA loans can be as low as 3.5%, and VA and USDA loans may require no down payment at all. But beyond the down payment, there are additional expenses to prepare for. Closing costs are one of the biggest hidden expenses and usually range from 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price. These cover lender fees, title insurance, and legal costs. Many first-time home buyers don't budget for these, which can be a shock at closing. Some lenders offer options to roll closing costs into the mortgage, but that will increase your loan amount. Another cost to factor in is the home inspection and appraisal. An inspection is essential to uncover any hidden issues with the home, and an appraisal ensures the home is valued correctly for the loan. These costs typically range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s combined. Then there are moving expenses, utility deposits, and initial home maintenance that can add up quickly. Being financially prepared is key to a smooth home buying experience. If you're thinking about buying but aren't sure how much you need, let's talk. Call us today at 919-740-0379 and make it a great day.